ever had a situation where you tell your kids to go in bed at a respectable hour and they sneak back out to, of course, watch the tablet, and this is wellness they're doing? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It is a little after 6 a.m. and this is what I'm seeing in my living room right now. You know? Oh, morning guys. Happy December. It is the 1st of December and the first day of my vacation. If you hear Lani's in the other room doing her online class, we started off with a good start, so I would have left off the last vlog. Okay, Binky. Saying that I had to contact FCB because my online banking was locked. I was blocked out. Your girl got up 6 o'clock in the morning because I missed the deadline time last night of 10 in the night by like 2 minutes. They were going. So I called 6 o'clock this morning. He answered one time and I get through. So credit card, there's another story. The CSR said that this is the 6th working day, which is the 1st of December. So the 7th day. No, today is the 7th day. I thought it was the 8th working day, but according to their records, today is the 7th working day. So I should be getting my card today. Should be in the operative word, but I given them till the end of this week. I'm still waiting on one more box from Sephora VIB Haul, Holiday Haul, but I think I'm going to film a part 1 and a part 2. I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to run through the whole thing, even though it had probably been a long video. But I want to use my stuff. Like, I want to use my stuff, and it just sitting on there. I would have mentioned on my Instagram, it was last week, that, you know, separate apart from wanting to do a holiday giveaway, you know, to give back, because, you know, I love giving back to the people who support me. I want to give back to the people who support me, who also have businesses. So I'm making it my business to feature local businesses, local talent, you know, throughout my not Vlogmas vlogs, because 2021 was a real rough year. 2020 was rough, but I think because it spilled over into 2021, it just, I don't think we were really prepared. A lot of us was not prepared, and you know, it hit people really hard. So I mean, I always say just sharing something with a platform, if that could help somebody, you know, I don't mind doing it, because I love supporting people, because especially small businesses, small local businesses, because the support means so much more on that level than, say, a multi-million, billion-dollar corporation, you know. Like your $200 order on whatever product or service they provide could mean that they are able to pay, you know, pay a bill, buy some groceries, you know. And I mean, yes, you're looking for quality and whatnot, but you get quality. A lot of local businesses now have been stepping up, You know, in the past I've been notorious for being really bad with customer service, really bad with quality. But I find because of social media now, and because there's so much more accessibility and transparency, that small businesses are really stepping up. And I find like they tend to step up more than some of the bigger places. Like I have ordered local, and the local people, listen, the amount of care and attention they put into their product and their branding, it's like, wow, I had to come back to you, you know. So the two businesses I want to feature, I want to at least feature minimum two businesses, you know, for my Vlogmas, not Vlogmas. So the first one is fashion underscore high underscore TT. I'll put it up here. It's an online clothing boutique, and Mandy runs it. Mandy has been a long time follower of mine, and she is so very supportive. So shout out to you, Mandy, for doing your thing, and you know, go support her, you know. Like I said, supporting small businesses really means a lot, especially around, you know, the holidays. And the next one I want to feature and shout out is Kerwin Clark MUA. This guy, oh my gosh, he is so talented. He's young, but he's really talented. Like, I enjoy his makeup looks, and they are so versatile. So like, I mean, places opening up, we are no curfew again, so you know, you could go to your little parties and get-togethers and whatnot. Mind you, you have to observe your protocols, but you know, you could look a little nice and thing. Go by him, check him out, let him do your makeup, and he will like make you look fabulous, like seriously. And he is such like a down-to-earth person. Like, I talked to him online, he's so funny, like he's have me laughing in stitches, you know, he's so funny and down-to-earth. And I love his hair. Like, his hair is gorgeous. He has the prettiest douglas hair you've ever come across. Hola, I am back, and God, I'm looking rough here, boy. But what's new? So right now, oh yes, it's feeling so good. I am going to do my makeup here. Can't remember the last time I actually filmed myself doing makeup, but we're going to do it today because I want to film my my Sephora haul. Ooh, shout out to that unwanted visitor. Yeah, so yeah, I want to film it. Now the plan was really to do the whole thing, but one of the boxes still in Miami. Don't know why, because it was there for like a week. So, and that one has a lot of stuff in it. So the box I have here are going to deal with that, because I want to use, there's things in there I want to start using. And yeah, I was like, let me just do a part one and a part two, but you all will see from when I do the hauls, there's like a lot of stuff. So probably in hindsight is a good thing I am doing a part one and a part two, because that would have been one long video. I've been collecting all my empties for the next empties video, whenever that would be. But this is a real good primer. It's the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer. This is a dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip, which is like a pound and a crown. I need to get another one of these. I think they have sale right now going on, even though Black Friday passed, Cyber Monday passed. sometimes the best sales are actually right after Christmas, because all the things that they were trying to sell for the holidays that they get through with, they just drop it down to ridiculously low prices, which is when I like to swoop in and take advantage. Where is that? Here we go. Yeah, and I see right now Sephora have a I was going to say, yeah, Sephora has a 20% off sale coming up, so I don't know, like, really and truly, mine is like, you know, some of the things that you forget to get in the sale, you can get now. Is a one-off code, you know, but I'm like, do I really need to? I really don't need anything, you know. This is me just being ridiculous, so let me just, I might speed through this a little bit. So if I speed through, it's because Lani class start and yeah.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fate. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I have it. You was just a no habit, so I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I have it. Now you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours.
Stop harassing my cat.
He doesn't want to lie with me, who tell you?
He done looking so.
Yeah, because he's a momo. He doesn't want to lie with you when you're ready. He don't want to lie with you when you want to lie. He's a coach. Eh?
He's a cat. That is she.
Is it close now?
Yes, I am home. I've been waiting for you since Tuesday.
Since Thursday.
Yeah, I get, well, FCB make the mistake and send me a notification that you guys have it. So I was like,
they probably were accurate, but we have it has some delays in terms of processing once it gets to TT Post and then send over the courier. So
well, yeah, well, they saved me from a Black Friday tragedy because I would have gone nuts. You know? But that's okay, it have other sales coming up, so I ain't worried.
I hear that.
But
so,
I am home.
Who's there already, right? So somebody can come out to collect it.
Of course, I'll come in. Alright, no scene, I'll come in.
Alright, nice.
Alright, bye. Look, you see, Archie all up in my business. Archie, tuck your tail.
Rudolph, how you do that? Tell me how you do that. Oh, I know how you do that. Rudolph, tell me how you fly so high. Tell me how you fly so high. Rudolph, tell me how you touch the sky. How you touch the sky. They used to make fun of you, call you out your name. Never let poor Rudolph join the reindeer games. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, they came after you, but instead of staying down, you went to the moon. On the day before Christmas, Santa chose you as the one. He said, long as the trees lay bright, I know you can guide my sleigh tonight. Rudolph, how you do that? Rudolph, tell me how you do that. Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how reindeers fly so high? Yeah. Rudolph, how you do that?
Okay, so I just dumped stuff in this drawer. So nothing, I just fell there. So this is where I'll store my new products for now till I start incorporating. But those are the giveaway prizes in court. Because I just wanted to have it separate. Those are the boxes that I will be keeping for storage. And this is the junk that needs to throw out. And this is Archie here, macroing everything. And I want to get some paint and paint this week because I realized, like, even when I clean it, like, all my makeup fingers kind of like dirty. And I need to find a better way to store, like, the travel size perfumes because I have a bunch in there, not to mention perfume samples. And yeah, I need to find something, maybe like a lip gloss holder for the bigger ones. But yeah, so this is it here. At the moment, we will organize better. Have no fear, you know. I will organize better than that. So let me watch the village macro. Watch. But make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Watch all my videos for Not Vlogmas Vlogging with iKarlene. I have a giveaway running right now. I will put a link in the description cards above. The cards above, sorry, the description card. The cards above. So it'll take you to the video where you see the giveaway prize and all the rules on how to enter that giveaway. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Oh, Christmas